Softomotive presents a new paradigm for RPA called the Softomotive People-1st Approach to RPA. The current norm for RPA is epitomized by a hit-and-miss approach. It costs more, has more project risk, is more rigid, is less innovative, and generates less engagement. In whichever currency you work in, it simply does not add up any longer. The current approach to RPA is broken. Businesses keep struggling to understand where and how to start RPA. A big bang approach is still the preferred option, involving an upfront investment that is high, together with associated costs of additional servers, consultancy fees, etc. This only increases project risk and raises the bar higher as to what is required to get a positive ROI. Agile has become the new norm for IT development, and yet the approach to process automation itself is still stuck in the old ways of doing things in strict chronological order. The end result is often a hybrid approach, which does not fit today's businesses, which are far more dynamic and processes more fluid. Automation tends to be completed in an ivory tower or center of excellence. This practice ignores the people who are doing the work and have the best understanding of their tasks and processes. It comes at no surprise that people engagement is low, often leading to widespread concerns about the impact on employee jobs and employee resistance. This has led some of our customers to say that there must be a better way to RPA. At Softomotive, we believe it's time to turn the world of RPA on its head. The Softomotive People-1st Approach to RPA means putting people before robots. It's time to put the power in the hands of the people rather than the machines. People or citizen developers have the knowledge, skills, and understanding to consistently select and develop the best tasks and processes to automate. Putting power in the hands of a citizen developer rather than machines will help to avoid unnecessary high upfront costs, lower project risk, supercharge innovation, and accelerate time to value. By doing so, it will drive the next productivity revolution. It is easier, quicker, and less risky to start with a desktop automation tool, which does not require a server or any other significant upfront costs. A people-first approach to RPA introduces a far more agile approach to process automation. Such an agile approach is much more fluid and responsive to changing circumstances. RPA innovation is too important to leave to the few, so it's time to empower the many. The Softomotive People-First Approach to RPA places the power of innovation firmly into the hands of those who are best placed to know what is needed and how to do it, the people that do the work. The speed and impact of innovation on the business is much faster and far greater with the Softomotive People-First Approach to RPA. Even just 1 hour saved per day times 365 days times X number of employees in the organization, and things really start to add up. Incremental improvement would be immense. The Softomotive People-First Approach promotes an agile approach to process automation, yet it can still be done with Center of Excellence oversight, which provides assurances about security and control. A brand new business model for managing process automation is required to make the best of the Softomotive People-First Approach to RPA. This new business model splits the approach to managing process automation into 3 distinct phases, the 3 I's: innovate, incubate, and implement. The key objective for this phase is to empower the many, and its scope is right across the business or in selected departments. The aim is to invite as much innovation as possible. The key objective for this phase is to nurture the best output from the innovation stage. The focus is on both automated tasks and processes, with the aim to learn quickly what could be deployed more broadly across the business for best results. Finally, the key objective for implementation phase is to scale what works. The focus is on both automated tasks and business processes, with the aim to scale seamlessly. Each phase is broken down to different steps to provide a 7-stage blueprint for introducing the Softomotive People-First Approach to managing process automations. This Softomotive People-First Approach turns conventional RPA thinking on its head by firmly putting people before robots to get the best results.